Hi everybody, this is Carl with CB Koi. In front of you is a Tarantula Hawk. It went down in our mud pond. I kind of felt sorry for it, so I took it out. We're going to let it go here. But if you look beyond the Tarantula Hawk and follow my finger, you will see a dragonfly. See it out there? Okay. A year ago, there was nothing here. The pond wasn't here. None of these insects were here. But a year and a half later, we now have all kinds of wildlife that's come in the last, really the last 6 months. It took a year to get the pond up and going. But today I want to talk to you about our floating plant islands. In front of you, we put this in about 3 weeks ago, and they were just the floating device at the time, and then we added the plants. We cut everything down. It was basically just the nucleus, the part of the main plant, a little bit of root system, and then what's above the vegetative part that's above the water. But within 3 weeks in this pond, we've got a few koi in here, not many, maybe half a dozen. They're not very big, they're toe-side. But if you look at the vegetative part above the water, that's the new growth just within 3 weeks. But what is even more amazing is what's below the water, and that's the root system. If you look below that, look at the length of the roots. And that's where the exchange of the ammonia, the nitrite, the phosphates, that's where the plants are going to take these compounds in and make them non-toxic to the koi. I can't get over that dragonfly right on the top of this plant here. See it right there? We've got 2 species that have come. We've got the red one, and we also have the blue and gray one. The blue and gray one's a little bit bigger than this one. But here's a Tarantula Hawk. He's drying out. His wings are drying out. We're going to let him go here. Tarantula Hawk is a wasp. They're in the Hymenoptera order, and they prey on tarantulas. They go down, pierce the abdomen of the tarantula, lay their eggs in there, and the eggs hatch out into larvae, and they eat the interior part of the tarantula. It's sad, but that's just the way it is. But we're going to let him go. And in fact, I'm going to let him go now, and we're going to try and film this. Hopefully he'll walk off. And let me get him off there, because he could sting. I don't want him to. There he goes. His wings are dried. Hopefully he'll go away. Don't sting me. You need to. There he goes. There he goes. Look, filming. There he took off. We saved his life. And look.